Free alternate websites for Adobe Photoshop. Photopea.com. Just create new file and start editing. You can find ready-made templates here. This is the best alternate of Adobe Photoshop, or you can also call it the online version of Photoshop. You can find variety of fonts here. You can share your work in any format online or just save it in your PC in any format. Next is Photo.com. In Photo.com you can edit your photos, make a collage, or just create a design. Photo.com provide you best ready-made templates to work with. Select any template you want and start designing. This is the best website if you don't have any knowledge about graphic designing. There are many templates you can choose from.
After you are done, just sign in to download your masterpiece. Last but not the least,
Canva.com. This website also provides free templates and it is very easy to use for beginners. Choose any template to design. In Canva you can also edit videos. You can add elements from here. You will find copyright-free photos from here. Download your design in any format. That's all for today and don't forget to subscribe.